Dumela Moi o amoetswe kgasong ena ya ditaba tsa Sesotho ho SABC2 empa ha re qala ka dihlooho tsa tsona.
No, Samkel, I don't think it's got to do anything with who leads the ANC. It's got to do with the performance of the ANC itself. I think the people are responding to that.
Mo presidente wa mehleng wa ANC Thabo Mbeki o se o lotse ka bohale maikutlo a reng baahi ba KwaZulu-Natal ba vuta ho ya ka morabe.
We have got a joint collaborative approach to ensure that we arrest this problem, and it's a kind of a lesson. We are learning it through a hard way to almost all our towns. These are old buildings. You can see these buildings were established long time.
Batho ba bahlano ba hlokahetse Nqobo provinseng ya Eastern Cape ka mora ho heleha ha lebota la lebenkele. Dipapading re fumana hore sehlopha sa Morocco sa Elo se fokuditse matshwenyeho a sona a ho rengwa ke Selepe ka mora ho hlola sa Stellenbosch FC ka dintlha tse 2-0. Mo presidente wa mehleng wa ANC Thabo Mbeki o se ho lotse ka bohale maikutlo a reng baahi ba province ya KwaZulu-Natal ba vuta ho ya ka morabe. Mbeki o re tsohle di mabapi le phano ya ditshebeletso le ho sebetsana le ditlhoko tsa baahi. Mo presidente wa mehleng wa ANC Thabo Mbeki o isitse letsholo la dikgetho la mokga le batoweng la bobedi le leholo la dikgetho KwaZulu-Natal setrekeng sa Umgungundlovu tlasa lebatowa la Moses Mabhida. Mbeki o qadile ka ho isa hlompho ho bahale ba ntwa e leng Moses Mabhida le Johnny Makhathini. Tabeng ya mantlha ya letsatsi Mbeki o re o na le tshepo ya hore baahi ba province ya KwaZulu-Natal ba tla kgutlisetsa mokga o busang pusong. Mbeki o qheletse ka thoko maikutlo a hore baahi ba province ya KwaZulu-Natal ba vouta ho ya ka semorabe.
No, Samkel, I don't think it's got to do anything with who leads the ANC. It's got to do with the performance of the ANC itself. I think the people are responding to that. And what really, that's why I'm insisting on this thing. That I can't just go to the population and say vote ANC and stop there. I must say vote ANC. But I must add to that. That the ANC I'm saying you must vote for is the ANC that must be able to discharge its responsibilities to the people.
Ho latela nalane Mbeki o re ANC e nyenyefaditse lerato leo baahi ba province ena ba nang le lona bakeng sa mokga o busang. Makgolokgolo a bareki a ile a nka dinepe le mo presidente wa mehleng wa ANC ha a ntse a le letsholong la mogala o ngwa ka bakgethi.
I think the last imbizo that I did before the 2004 elections was here. And I remember the province of the ANC completely underestimated the response of the people. I think we had 3-4 overflow tents because of the response of the people. Lots of people didn't understand, even the leadership. What the masses of the people were thinking, they responded in a massive way.
Hosane mo presidente eno wa mehleng wa ANC o tla ya lebitleng la mo presidente wa mehleng Morena Albert Luthuli ho ya fana ka hlompho mme a nto le ba umlazi letsholo la mogala ngwa ka tshehetso. Ho sala jwalo re fumana hore nalane ya dilemo tse 30 tsa tshebetso ya ANC mmusong ke yona e tla thusa mogga ona ho hlola dikgetho tse tlang tse akaretsang tsa naha.
ANC does not convince people out of fake. We acknowledge the difficulties and the challenges, but people also know what the ANC has done. The ANC has done a lot for the people of South Africa in terms of prioritizing them on the issues that affect them. Yes, there are challenges, and they understand that it is the ANC, their savior and hope, that they need to work and correct to realize a better life for all. We are the first to admit the challenges that have faced us and the difficulties that are facing us. So we are not selling a pipe dream to the people or fake and promising them things that cannot be achieved. If we look at our commitments that we have made in the past 5 years, we are 90% at realizing those commitments, and there have been challenges, corruption, is one of them, and we know that COVID has pushed us back in terms of enabling our economy to move with speed for the realization of jobs. As we speak now, all jobs lost during COVID have been recovered.
Ditabeng tse ding re fumana hore moetapele wa mokga wa DA John Steenhuisen o re kgato ya SABC ya ho se bapale papatso ya dikgetho ya DA e susumeditswe ke dipolotiki. Steenhuisen o buile sena a le Phalaborwa provinseng ya Limpopo nakong ya letsholo la mokga la ho ngoka bakgethi. Papatso e bontsha folaga ya naha e tjha.
Ka holong ya moshate wa makhushane go la Phalaborwa moetapele wa DA John Steenhuisen o amogetswe ka diatla tse pedi ke bathegi ba mokgatlo gape le maloko a setšhaba bao ba bego ba mohlabela megolokwane. Steenhuisen o re o memilwe ke badudi bao ba rego ba nyoretswe diphetogo. Steenhuisen o re o tlile ka profenseng ya Limpopo go tšwetša pele molaetša mogolo wa mokgatlo wa gabo e le go molaetša wa kgolofelo go setšhaba gape le go badudi ba Phalaborwa ka kakaretšo ka ge e le kgalwe ba sa ilošedi.
Obviously, this is an area where there's a huge unemployment problem, and obviously we want to share our message of hope and change. When I started the campaign, I said that we were going to take our message to every corner of South Africa, both rural and urban. And so yesterday we're in Soweto, today we're here in Phalaborwa, and we'll continue over the next 3 weeks taking our message of hope and change to every single corner of the country.
Steenhuisen o re sephetho sa lekgotlakgatšo la Afrika Borwa sa go gana go bapala papatso ya mokgatlo wa gabo ya go uangwetša bathegi yeo e bontšha go folaga ya Afrika Borwa e latswa ke mollo se na le khuetšo ya sepolotiki. O re sephetho se hueditšwe ke mopresidente Cyril Ramaphosa le tona ya dipapadi bogabo le setšo Zizi Kodwa bao bobedi bja bona ba ntšhitše go maikutlo a go itia ka ntahla papatso ye bao a re bobedi bja bona ke maloko a mokgatlo wa ANC. Steenhuisen o re mokgatlo wa gabo o ile go tšwela pele ka magato a semolao kgahlanong le kgašo ye ya setšhaba. Dikgašo tše dingwe tša go ikema di tšwela pele go bapala papatso ye ya go tsoša mmudubudu.
Well, our lawyers are busy drafting a letter to them, putting them on notice that they will be given a few days to change their decision. If not, we will seek a review of that decision in the High Court. And as I said, because this is such an important constitutional principle around freedom of expression, freedom of political thought and speech, that we will be prepared to take this all the way to the Constitutional Court.
SABC e re e tsebišitše molaodi mogolwane wa dikgokaganyo ka Afrika Borwa ke gore ICASA ka ga sephetho sa go gana go bapala papatso ye e re dumela gore papatso ye e tlhotlheletšwa go senywa ga dikwa tše bohlokwa tšeo e le go bokhwa bja setšhaba. Tikologo ya Phalaborwa e itemogetše ditšhupetšo tša badudi malebana le ditirelo. Badudi ba re ba golofela gore morago ga dikgetho ka karetšo tša lenyaga ditirelo di tla tla setšhabeng. Nna ke Koketšo Motau wa ditaba tša SABC Phalaborwa.
Ho sa le jwalo re fumana hore moetapele wa MK e bile le mopresidente wa mehleng wa ANC Jacob Zuma o re mokga o batla ho fumana palo ya 2/3 dikgethong tse tlang tse akaretsang tsa naha. O ne a le letsholong la ho ngoka tshehetso provinseng ya KwaZulu-Natal.
Akekho umuntu ozohlupheka embusweni omkhonto wesizwe. Emakhaya lapho esakhe khona soka kama fame lapho because la khona abantu fanele bekhona amafame basebenze bangahambi ukuchitha imali beshona lena so yenza leyo nto sikusho ngoba sithi nje alikho igolide nesilver ezohamba emazweni esingakwazi lishizwe la elakhelwe khona sizolimba la sililungise la sakhe amafame okuzenza lezi zinto kufuneka zenziwe. Ingakho sifuna ukuphoqa iy'ngane zifunde iy'fundo ze-science ngempela ukuze sikwazi ukuzenzela into ezizenzela zona. Sizwana ngibeka lokhu nje okumbalwa ngenzela ukuthi lesicelo sokuthi asithole amavoti ka-3/3 hey ayingiyayisaba le ngisakhuluma ngo-2/3 bakwethu ngizokwenza because sizobe siyazikhulula ukuthi siphile singahlupheki siphile kahle ngoba khona yonke into kulelizwe.
Kgaso ya ditaba e tswela pele ka puo ya marena ya Sesotho ho SABC2. Mopresidente wa IFP Velenkosini Tlhabisa o tshepise ma-Afrika Borwa hore o tla a abela ditshebeletso tsa mantlha ha ka kgethwa ho ba pusong.
IFP e gateletse fa e tlile go tlhabolla meago e phutlhameng mo porofenseng. Mopresidente wa lekoko o rotloeditse gape ma-Afrika Borwa go tlhagisa dilelo tsa bona ka go tlhopha go na le go tshepela mo megwantong e e tletseng tiriso dikgoka.
I am aware there has been a protest in this town just a week ago. People blocking road, people expressing themselves of how dissatisfied about the poor services by our government in this province. I want to assure you, you have protested enough. Now take the protest to the ballot box.
Bao ba neng ba tsenetse letsholo leno ba re bana le tshepo ya gore lekoko leno le tla dira diphetogo.
Ke tseba gore se tla tlisa phologano mo profession ya rona ka goreng re tlhoka ditirelo di le dintsi jaaka re le bašwa dikolo le mebereko ga re tla re gola.
Nna ke dumela mo goreng go fa motho chance o bone se ena se dirang ke motla bonang teng. Ga o ka ke wa ikana selo isu se bone. Never count the eggs before they hatch again. So ntle le gore mo fe chance ba go itseng gore ka dirang le bone ba le gore ba tle ba tsene ba file chance. So le bone ga re ka ba fa chance re bone gore their intentions ke eng.
IFP ga ise itlhophe moeteledipele wa lekoko mo porofenseng eno. Ke Tebogo Phakedi wa dikgang tsa SABC mo Mahikeng.
Moetapele wa ACM Hlaudi Motshweneng o hateletse hore batho ba tlameha ho hirwa le ho lefshwa meputso e ntlafetseng. O re a sentho e tsitsitseng hore baahi bohle ba itshitlehe ka dithuso tsa ditjhelete tsa setjhaba. Motshweneng o buile sena ha ne a fana ka puo ya sehloho ho thakgolweng ha tokomane ya mokga ya dikgetho ya maikemisetso a tshebetso a leqwaqwa profenseng ya Free State.
Moetapele wa ACM Hlaudi Motshweneng o re ho bakgethi hore ba batla go kgetha tlala kapa go kgetha bophelo. O re ke gale mogao o busang o ba tshepisa mahodimo le lefatshe empa ho senko ho tswa lemina. Motshweneng o re mathata ohle a Afrika Borwa a bakwa ke tlhokeho ya mesebetsi mme ha seo se ka rarollwa tse ngata di ka loka.
Ha ke kena setulong ba sa sebetse ha ke no nka kgoditse tseletseng ke sa batlose hobane mona ho emelwa motho hore a buse 5 years a ntse a hloleha. Nna ke batla ho nka 3 years ha nka hloleha ka 3 years ke a itukulla. Ha ke no emela ho tloswa, ha ke no emela hore batho ba nne ba lle hobane ke tla be ke hlolehile le motse hlano dingata hampe.
Basietsi ba ACM ba re Motshweneng o tseba mathata a bona mme a ka fetola ebang a ka fumana monyetla.
Re motsebile ebile re a motseba ene a ka etsa diphetoho tse ngata for South Africa e seng yona fela le dimasepala tsena tsohle.
Ke ne ke lakatsa hore e ka re aka wina a kene hobane qoqwa e sotlehile ditsela ke mekoti ka baka la ANC ha e sa le ntho tse di tsena ka ntate Mopedi yena ka ba ke letswalla la mona ke nana tla tlisa diphethoho ha ile ANC yona e hloleile le montse 30
ditsela ke ntho tlo metsi nkakasi jwale ka re bona re Eskom e bile mathateng le naha kaofela mesebetsi eng kaofela ACM Tate Motshweneng a ka etsa dintho tse ngata kwa rena.
Motshweneng o re o itlhokela fela dilemo tse 3 ho etsa diphethoho mme ha hloleha o tla itukulla. Magala Masiteng, Lefapheng la ditaba ho SABC Qwaqwa.
Moetapele wa ACDP Kenneth Mishwe o re e ba mokga wa habo o sa tlo sebetsa hantle le ho eketsa ditulo tsa ona parlamenteng ka mora dikgetho tse tlang tse akaretsang tsa naha. O tle o theoha boemong ba hae ba ho ba mopresidente wa mokga.
Mokga wa ACDP o kene letsholong la dikgetho ka jeno Soweto.
We declare the will of God. The will of God is The righteous must be in authority. The unrighteous must follow the righteous, and not the other way around. Those who walk with God must lead.
Moetapele wa ACDP o lepa hore mokga o busang o ka nna wa tswa taolong ka mora dilemo tse 30 o le pusong.
This is the 7th election that many people were waiting for. You hear the excitement when I said year 7, election number 7. So this is what people have been waiting for. If nothing happens of the ACDP, I will reverse, I will resign, I will say what I said did not come to pass. But I know it's going to come to pass.
Moruti Mishwe o re maAfrika Borwa a tlo bona phetho ka mora dikgetho tsena tse tlang tse akaretsang o boetse a re tsamaiso ya dithendara e reretswe fela bao ba tsibisahalang.
Entrepreneurship must be replaced by entrepreneurship. Those who do not understand, we don't want an economy based on tenders, tenderpreneurs, because they eat alone. When they came into government, they said, it is our time to eat. They have eaten and removed and ate all the crumbs.
Moetapele ena wa ACDP o pheletse ka lereng mokga wa habo o tlo tsepamisa maikutlo haholo bebeleng.
Ratela pele tonakgolo ya province ya Eastern Cape Oscar Mabuyane o fetisitse mantswe a matshediso ho malapa a hlokahalletsweng ke beng ka ona ka morao ho ile ha lebota la lebenkele Ncobo. Batho ba hlano ba hlokahetse ha ba 13 ba tswile dikotsi tse nyarosang.
Police are still working with all the team to make sure that we identify all bodies. We would definitely make a call to people who had their own people in town yesterday, because some it looks like it's going to be difficult to easily identify them. But 3 has been identified, but there's 2 that has not yet been identified, that we are making a call that people can come and look for that. Department of Labor is here to do its own inspection and give us that technical assessment that is required. So municipality is part of that. The disaster teams are here. So MEC Public Works is here with her team. MEC for Health, she's here as well. So we have got a joint collaborative approach to ensure that we arrest this problem. And it's a kind of a lesson. We are learning it through a hard way to almost all our towns. These are old buildings. You can see these buildings were established long time. You can look at the infrastructure, the material used here. So municipalities must strengthen up their bylaws to ensure that they do make assessment, ongoing assessment of buildings in their towns to avoid incidences of this nature.
Batho ba bileng teng mo moaho o ile ngwa hileha George Western Cape ba bona etse ba thabile ha e mong a tswile a ntse a phela ka ha mara malonloahla.
On site, we are aware of more people, more bodies being found. But we've got a double verification system. Once those bodies has been removed, and we also know that they've been handed over to FPS, and then also back to the mortuary, then only we report it as confirmed. So it's from site, FPS, mortuary, or from site, EMS, hospital, depending on what the situation is. Once all 3 tallies up, or both of those, then we only report it as confirmed. So although there might be, and I'm aware of more bodies that was found on the site, must first be processed to our system before we will report that it is the amount. So at this point, 13 confirmed fatalities on the scene. Also confirmed that we can account for 41 people, still looking for 40.
Bahlopholli ba ditaba tsa dipolotiki ba dumela hore merusu ya dipolotiki e tlo ba ka mathata a demokrasi ya naha.
Dipolayano tse susumetswang ke sepolotiki ha se ntho e ntjha. Hangata di rotetswa ke ho lwanela ditulo. KwaZulu-Natal ke mohlala o ka sehlohlolong wa naha le setsi sa ditlolo tsa molao.
Politician was killed almost every week until the president went to Maritzburg and said, not on my name. That was July 2018. And then we created a special task force dealing with political killing in KZN.
More often than not, these are killings relating to parties such as the ANC and the IFP, who seem to be in constant war with each other.
Jolo ka ha naha e ntse atamela dikgethong ba lekgotla le ba sebetsang dikantorong tsa sepolotiki mahlo a ho bona.
We all know that out of the many councillors killed since the current term of office started in November 2021, all few cases are in court.
Selemong se fetileng re bone botlokotsebe bo ihlwa mekwalaba ka hare ho naha. Ati KwaZulu-Natal diketsahalo tsa ho thungwa ho amahangwang le dipolotiki le teng ho nyolohile.
Over the recent months, there have been many councillors gunned down in cold blood, all relating to the upcoming elections.
Ka kgwedi ya Lwetse ngwahola, molekgotla wa ANC ya Nkuna le David Matsane ba ile ba thungwa ba etswa dipapading tsa mantshano tsa ANC. Ba lelapa la Nkuna ba ntse ba emetse toka hore e phethwe.
They didn't show us how did they feel. They showed us they are not very that painful that we had. They didn't, because to accept the death of my husband, we have to get the closure.
Sepolesa sona se re se malalalaotswe bakeng sa ho tlisa botsitso ka nako ya dikgetho.
Sehlopha sa Moroka Soilo se fukuditse matshwenyeho a sona a o rengwa ke Selepe ka mora ho hlola sa Stellenbosch FC ka dintlha tse 2-0 papading ya DStv Premiership Stadium sa Dobsonville Soweto pejana ka jeno. Ke tsona tsa dipapadi tsena mui le a le jwalo ga se ena ditaba tsa Sesotho puo ya marena e fela mona kopana le moifu wa rona wa ditaba tsa Setswana hosane ka yona nako ena ke yona taba.